I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments on the Steam mobile app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Open the app, go to your account settings, and review the payment options. Step 2. Update the Steam app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Steam app installed. Go to your device's app store and check for updates. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clearing the app's cache can resolve many issues. On Android, go to Settings app Steam Storage and select Clear Cache. Step 4. Check for network issues. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes a weak connection can cause payment failures. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If the issue persists, reach out to Steam support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem and any error messages you've encountered. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issue quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.